Hello?
Hello, sir. My name is Johnny.
Sorry, it's not relevant.
Yes, I understand. Okay.
Hola, ¿qué?
If I could only have a moment of your time, sir.
No es relevante.
Hello, sir. My name is Johnny, and I would like to...
Pizza, how can I help you?
Hello?
Hello, sir. My name is Johnny, and this is...
Johnny?
Yeah.
Is that you? Why are you calling me?
Hey, Johnny, relax. We got this. If you have trouble with your B2B sales, give us a call at Swathly. Our intelligence software optimizes your selling process by using big data analysis and machine learning technology. And guess what? We even help you engage with the clients.
Hey, a new lead just came in. Should I make an appointment now?
Ask her what the right time to call her back. We can do a follow-up later. See?
You got yourself a deal, sir.
I got a deal! Yeah! Thank you!
Very good.
You gonna clean this stuff?